Hey guys, this is CP from Imaginary Programmer. In this video, I am going to teach you how to install PyCharm on your Windows 7, 8 and 10. First, you need to download Java, then you can install PyCharm. PyCharm is a free. Just go to Google and search PyCharm. Choose the community version. It is free. It is completely fully featured. It does anything we need to do. And it also has advanced features. Go ahead, download and install for your platform. So let's take a look how to install PyCharm. We are going to create new project and we also going to name our project first. Along the left hand side, this is the project. Let's go ahead and right click and create new Python file. I am gonna name it test, which is going to name and make it test.py, and here we can type it our first program. For example, hello world. I am gonna save it using Ctrl+S. We have run. We can set up run. Hit the plus sign. Here is Python and it's gonna be called run Python. Make changes, hit Ctrl+S and click run button.